Talk about operators. There are 5 types of operators in JavaScript: arithmetic operators, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operators, and assignment operators. We go one by one and see how important operators are in any language. And I'll show you an example how to use them in your code. Let's talk about arithmetic operators. These operators are be used to perform basic math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Let's declare two variables. Let x equals 10. Let y equals 7. And we print it on console log x plus y. Let's see the result. It's 17, right? So we use plus operator to add x and y together, and that results in 17 because x is 10 and y is 7, and we print it to the console using console.log, and we can do subtraction, multiplication, division, and find modulus, which is basically percentage. Save it, print it. So you see all these values here. Now I will change this to 5 and save it. See all the values as outputted: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Right. This is all arithmetic operators. Let's do comparison operator. So we can do the same thing here. Console.log, say x greater than y, and refresh it. If it's true, x is 10, y is 5. It's basically x 10 is greater than 5, right? So it's true. Do x is less than y, false. That's right. Then we can do x is greater than or equal to y, true. Then x is less than equal to y, false. X is equal to y, false. Not equal to y, true. So this is basically comparison operators used to compare two values and return Boolean values of true or false. Let's talk about logical operator. We use logical operator to combine or negate Boolean values. There are 3 types of logical operators in JavaScript: and, or not. Logical operator, and, or, not. Okay. Let's start with AND operator. This operator returns true if both operands are true, else false. So here is an example. Let's say x equals 5 and y 10. So if we compare console.log x less than 10 and y greater than 5, let's see the output. It's true, as 5 is less than 10 and y 10 is greater than 5. That's right. So we are getting true. So what we are doing here is we are using ampersand operator to combine two expressions. X is less than 10 and y is greater than 5. Both expressions are true. The result for ampersand operator is also true, or AND operator is also true. The same is printed using console.log. Let's look at the next one, OR operator. This operator returns true if one of the operand is true or false. So the way we define is, let's say, same example, and then just change the operator. and to or and refresh it's true, because we are trying to combine the two expression and both of them are true, and that's the reason it's giving true. Let's say x is greater than 10 and y is less than 5. Let's see the result. It's false, right? X is not greater than y and y is not less than x. These are like pipe operators or operator. We call them pipes. Let's talk about negate or not operator. This operator negates the boolean value. So if the operand is true, then it gives false. If the operand is false, then it returns true. So let's say we have console log of x greater than 10, right? So I'm just giving an example. So this is false. Using negate operator, what we can do is we can reverse this result. I just added not operator here and then refresh it. It will be true. This is negate operator or not operator. When the operand is true, it returns false. When the operand is false, it returning true. You can say it. Let's talk about assignment operator. So assignment operators are used to assign value to a variable. There are several types of assignment operators. The simple assignment operator is equals. This is the simple one. And the compound assignment operators goes with arithmetic operators: plus, equals, minus, equals, asterisk, equals, multiply, divide, equals, and then modulus, equals. So these are different types of assignment operators. So we use one by one. Let's say how we define a simple assignment operator. So we have a variable x is equal to 5. So this is a simple assignment operator. We are assigning 5 value to variable x, right? Let's do console log x and refresh it. So we know x is 5. So how do we use next operator, which is compound operator? So let's say x plus equals 3. So this is basically x is equal to x plus 3, right? So console dot log x. Let's see the result. That's right. So we are saying 5 plus 3. The short form is this one using compound operators. Let's do minus. This will be minus and the result will be 2, right? 2. So we are using subtract operator and subtracting 3 from variable x. So x is 5 and we are subtracting 3 from 5. So the answer is 2. Let's do multiply. Refresh it. 15. 3 into 5, 15, right? This is operator to multiply variable x by 3. Okay, let's do a subtraction. 1.666, right? We are using slash is equal to operator to divide the value x by 3, and then we are assigning the result to x. That's where it is showing up here. And find the module and percentage. Save it. Refresh it. 2, right? So we are using a module operator on a variable x with 3 and the result is 2. These are like different types of compound assignment operators in JavaScript. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video which are helping to learn coding and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in next video.